Hey friends, Lisa here. In part one of this video series, I kept trying different things and just was not liking what was happening. And I kept pushing this painting until finally I made a big change where this area had been all white. I changed it to a dark area. And now, after letting the painting set up overnight and have some drying time, and parts of it are tacky but parts of it are a little drier, I may go back in and change that. I'm just going to paint very intuitively and see what happens, and add a few more layers and a little bit more texture. I did come back in and add some of the Carmen Lake, which was the new red that I was using, in different places. So we will see what happens in today's painting session. Thanks so much for being here with me. So let's paint. Well guys, this painting has been through quite the metamorphosis. It has changed a lot. I brought in some of the Chinese orange and mixed it with the Crimson Lake and made a glazing color that I covered this dark area, which I changed from a white area to a dark area, and I just glazed the entire bottom. And I'm liking that much better because it's letting the history show through. And I kept working each section into the other by blending and softening to sort of give it a mysterious look and a very soft, subtle blend into each section. I then came back in with some of the Marabou art crayon in white and added some asemic writing just to sort of tie these areas together. And I'm very much happier with it now than what I was. It's just been one of those pieces that you struggle with a little bit, but you keep pushing forward and trying different things to hopefully make it work in the end. And so I am going to stop with this piece now, and I really appreciate you being in the studio with me for these 2 painting sessions. And I hope you've enjoyed it. Please leave any comments below. And until next time, everyone.